So prior to my treatment with Dr. Palmer, I was a very active person. I would go to the gym 4 or 5 times a week, um, and after my injury, I basically couldn't do anything. I would not be able to sleep at night. Wouldn't be able to do regular day-to-day activities. Putting on my clothes was a task, and other than that, going to work was very difficult for me. Um, uh, and basically, that's it. I mean, I did not have a lifestyle that I wanted, especially at my young age. The main thing was going to the gym. That is part of my life, and now it's a huge part of my life. Um, uh, Other things, going out at night with friends, with my wife and family, couldn't go out to dinner. Just would stay in and be very antisocial, which is not what I am. So, I the first thing that I did was I went to a medical doctor to find out what my options were with that venue, and they talked about getting on pain pills and going through therapies, and surgery was even an option, and I really didn't want to deal with that because of the research that I've done on surgery and the success rates, and that was sort of the last option for me. I happened to see an infomercial for the DRX 9000, and I thought that it really made sense what was going on in the commercial, and I figured that would be the best way to go. With regards to my future, I'm a very motivated person, and at the age of 27, I've done quite a few things in my life career-wise, and I continually need to progress every single day. So with the pain, I couldn't do that. Well, now since my treatments with Dr. Palmer and his staff, I've accepted a new job. I'm in advertising now, doing very well for myself. I've actually been promoted, with just 7 months into my new job, and I'm going to the gym probably four times a week, and doing very well with that. Family life is fantastic. No problems with anything. My pain beforehand, on a level of 1 to 10, it was probably a 12. It was very unbearable. Walking, driving, sitting, everything brought pain to me. It was all down my left leg. It was very unbearable. Now I virtually have no pain. So I go to the gym. I can do deadlifts. I can do every type of exercise, and I attribute that not only to the machine, but to the way that the staff has taught me how to take care of myself, and not push myself to limits that I shouldn't be. Take it step by step, and really take it easy, but know my limits. Dr. Palmer and staff are very helpful. Specific pain was my sciatic nerve. It was going down my left leg. Just every day I couldn't even lean forward, because of the pain. My experience on the very first day was very inviting. Everyone here was very helpful. Got in and out with Dr. Palmer very quickly, and he was able to review all of my records, the medical records, and give me a great analysis of what was going on with my own pain. Dr. Palmer is very professional, and with regards to other doctors that I've been to, he's very caring, he's there for his patients. So if you have any questions, he has no problem talking with you about it. Treatment was fantastic on the table. I had no problems whatsoever. Very easy to get on, get off. Everyone was very helpful. At the gym before, I as soon as I got my injury, I was unable to do anything really. I mean, I could do work out with arms. I could maybe do a little bit of walking on the treadmill, but it was just very, very limited. Now I can do anything. I can do anything from, you know, deadlifts to stiff-legged deadlifts to, you know, squats every once in a while. I can, you know, do overhead presses. I can bench press, you know, everything. So, being as young as I am, the thing I feared the most was my career. You know, being able to stay motivated and you know, be driven to, you know, excel in any type of career that I chose to go into. You know, it was really a pain on my life. You know, I had to get it taken care of, you know, by whatever means it was, you know, and surgery was the last resort for me, and I would have taken that measure if this had not worked. But, you know, luckily it seemed like you know, like almost like a godsend that I was able to see the commercial and, you know, called in and came in and had it done. I cannot put a price on my health. I would recommend this to anybody who has back pain. Absolutely, I have recommended it.